What's up, Sum Hacker? Welcome to my Summer Day Challenge, where I unpack a banger practice sum every single day to help you crush your grade 11 maths. We are solving an equation here with rational exponents. We know it is a rational exponent if we have something in the form of x to the power of m over n is equal to a. Whenever you have something like this, all you need to do to solve for x is to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of the exponent. So what do I mean? You're going to have x to the power of m over n multiplied with the reciprocal of the exponent. So times n over m. Do you see that that is the opposite of what we had? Then what we did on the one side, we have got to do on the other. So we'll have a to the power of n over m as well. And that is how you will solve this equation. But you gotta check out two very important things first. Number one, you gotta check out whether your a value over here is positive or negative. In this case, it's negative. So we're gonna have to use the rules for a being negative. And then the second thing we wanna look at is our exponent. We wanna look at the fraction and ask ourselves, what numbers are we working with on top and at the bottom of the fraction? So number one, if you had an odd and an odd number, for example, let's say in your fraction you had 3 over 5, that would be an odd and an odd number. Then you just multiply by the reciprocal as normal, all right? We don't have that. So the second thing you want to ask yourself is, do I have an odd and an even number? This is actually what we have currently, because can you see we have an odd number on the top, which is 3, and we have an even number at the bottom, which is 2, okay? Whenever you get something like that, this is a no solution, and that is what you have to write in your answer. Then, even though this is the one that we're going to be working with, I do want to just explain the third rule as well, which is if you have an even and an odd number. Okay, so for example, let's say this was switched and it was 2 over 3. Then you would also have no solution here. But because we are working with 2, all we need to do when we have a look at this rational exponents question is we'll simply write x to the power of negative 3 over 2 is equal to negative 27, and then we will say is equal to no solution. And it's as simple as that. Final answer is no solution, because we had an odd number on the top of the fraction and an even number at the bottom. And based on our rule over here, that would equal no solution. So well done, Sum Hacker. That is it for today. If you reached the end of this video, you know the drill. Please let me know in the comments if this was helpful, or if you want me to unpack other sums with you. Just drop them in the comments. Plus, be sure to subscribe for more daily practice sums that are going to help you nail your grade 11 maths. And let's keep building into your future, one sum at a time.